the 50 BMG. A portable, easy-to-carry, gasification rocket stove that packs a huge punch. This stove gives you the power to cook an entire meal for your family with nothing but sticks you pick up in your backyard. You can easily adjust and vary the heat with the air control through the ashtray. The chimney removes and stores inside the stove for easy transportation. This stove also accepts 4-inch vent pipe for emergency or hot den heating. With a 4x4 fuel chute and a burn chamber built with heavy-duty 10-gauge steel, you will use this stove long into the future. With confidence, it will perform when needed.